Hey y'all, this is Rachelle and welcome back to my channel, Rachelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing the new Luminous Perfume by Bath & Body Works. Alright y'all, so I have here the new Luminous Perfume Pen Spray by Bath & Body Works. This release, I want to say this released the Friday, was it the Friday before Labor Day? I want to say, because I've had this for a couple of weeks now, and today is September 22nd. So I want to say that this was released on the Friday before Labor Day. And so I have here some notes that I took from the Bath & Body Works website. Y'all, we're just getting right on into this video. I am so sorry. Look, we're just getting on into this video. Let me just say, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for all of the support that I have been receiving lately here on my channel. Yeah, let's now get into the review of the new Luminous Perfume Spray, Pen Spray by Bath & Body Works. So I have some notes here, and the Luminous Perfume Spray is part of the Holidays Collection 2023. And from the site, it said that Luminous is a radiant scent with notes of ruby currant, gilded iris, and praline amber. So this was an app exclusive only for members, and it was available for $8. It was for a limited time only. So I got up that morning and I checked the app. I checked the app for Bath & Body Works basically just like every day, so I can see, you know, what's new, what's coming, what's on sale, so that way I can enjoy the sale, and also too, that way I can let y'all know. So anyway, I saw this on the app and I immediately did a BOPIS order, buy online, pick up in store. And I picked it up like 2 days later whenever I had time to go buy. And the lady, the manager, she said, well, you're lucky. You better be glad that you did the BOPIS order. She said, because we sold out of these like that. So anyway, there has been mixed reviews in regards to Luminous. But let me just tell you this. When I first smelled this, I thought it was an immediate no. When I first sprayed this on my hand, I was like, this is not for me at all. It smelled mature, it smelled matronly, and I was like, no way. I put it down and I said, you know what? I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna revisit it. Y'all, when I sprayed this the second time on my hand, and once it dried down, y'all, it was magnificent. Let me tell you, I absolutely love this perfume. I love it, and I will be purchasing it whenever it comes out. I will be purchasing it with a coupon, and I'm just ready to smell everything else in the line. This is going to be one of their signature scents, and you know, when Bath & Body Works come out with the signature scent, this is going to be like Dream Bright was last year. This is going to be their signature scent for the holidays. So they're going to have candles, the whole body care line, the fine fragrance mist, the shower gel, the perfume, the candles. They're probably gonna have like the room spray and everything in the line, the soap, everything. So I am so ready to smell this in the other forms. So I will be picking this up. Like I said, I will be getting the perfume because I like this. I really do like this. So I'll be getting the perfume. I'm gonna be getting the fine fragrance mist. I don't know if I'm going to get the body cream because I've kind of steered away from getting the body creams, only because, I mean, it's good to layer, but only because I have so many. Now, it doesn't take me long to use a body cream if I just go ahead and use it. Like I can use it for a week and then I'm done with it. But then I'm one of those too that a scent can get old to me fairly quickly unless it's one I love, and this one here is a love for me. I'm telling you, when I first smelled this, I was like, this and me, this is not going to be that girl. But I let it sit for a few days. I want to say maybe like 3, 4, or 5 days. I let this sit. I came back and I revisited it. I sprayed it on the back of my hand and I loved it. Now, I have seen this being compared to a few perfumes, and we're going to discuss that as well. So the first one that I thought of when I smelled this was La Vie Belle. I don't have that in my collection. However, I'm going to spray this on the back of my hand. So I don't have La Vie Belle in my collection, but I have smelled it plenty of times. Now, I bought when Lancome was having they were having some type of sale for 30% off, and I purchased La Vie Belle Soleil Crystal. Y'all, when I got that, I sent it back. I was like, no, this is not going. I don't like this, so I sent it back and got my money back. Now Lancome is having another sale. It's for 25% off. And before I buy anything from La Vie Belle again, I do want to go into Macy's or somewhere and just smell the different fragrances, because some of them do have patchouli in them. They all, I think, have iris and jasmine, I want to say. But I just want to smell them first. But y'all, yes, the first time I sprayed it, it smelled like La Vie. Well, initially it smelled like La Vie Belle. And I mean, with some differences to me. Now La Vie Belle is sweet. It's super sweet and it has that patchouli in it, but I like La Vie Belle. I just haven't bought it because it's something about it, the reason why I haven't bought it. I don't know, but I haven't purchased it. But then this smells so good, y'all. So good, especially in the dry down. When this dries down on me, it turns so sweet on me and I love it. Sweet and fruity. I love it. So I was watching some reviews and I saw Shaughnessy over at Simply Shaughnessy, and she said that this smelled like Flower Bomb to her. When she first smelled it, she said immediately she thought of Flower Bomb. I do not have Flower Bomb in my collection because I smelled Flower Bomb years ago and it was something in it that just did not resonate with me, and I think it was the patchouli. Now that my nose is maturing and I'm learning different scents and different fragrances, I think it was that patchouli that I was smelling, and I immediately put it back on the counter. So I went to, when I heard Shaughnessy compare this to Flower Bomb, I had a pickup order at Sephora, and I went to Sephora and I said, you know what, before I pick up my order, let me just smell Flower Bomb. So I sprayed. Now I took, this may be so ghetto, anyway, I took Luminous with me. I sprayed it on one hand and then I picked up Flower Bomb and I sprayed it on the other hand. And y'all, when I tell you, she was spot on. This smells like Flower Bomb. However, the notes are not the same at all. I think Flower Bomb has patchouli in the base. I think it may have like bergamot. It has a lot of florals in it in the mid, but I know in the base it has patchouli. And while Flower Bomb, it did not stink per se, it was just one that wasn't for me. When I smelled them side by side, I compared them side by side, I was like, she was spot on. However, there are some differences. Let me tell you what those differences are. To me, Luminous is brighter. Can a perfume be fun? Yeah, it's brighter. To me, it's sweeter. And there's no, that patchouli note, it's not in there at all. To me, it's just sweeter, fruitier, brighter to me and my nose. And I love this. Would I buy Flower Bomb? No. Only because I did not love it. I didn't love it. And I haven't had it all this time. I just didn't want to be purchasing a fragrance just to have it in my collection, to say I have it in my collection. I'm letting y'all know that I went out. I sprayed it on my hand. I sprayed Luminous on the back of my hand. I smell them. I compare them. And this is my review. If you have not smelled Luminous, whenever it does come out, get your nose on it, because I am willing to bet that the Fine Fragrance Mist is going to be a banger. I'm pretty sure, at least I hope so. You know how Bath & Body Works has those fine fragrance mists that smell like perfumes? I'm willing to bet that Luminous is going to be one of those fragrances that's going to be long lasting, strong, and able to stand on its own, smelling like a perfume or performing like a perfume. So I hope so anyway. But yeah, this smells so good. Like when it dries down, that praline amber, it just gets sweeter and sweeter on my skin, and I love it. So yeah, y'all, Luminous again is sweet. I get a little bit of that flowery, and then the fruity. It's a fruity, powdery, sweet scent that I adore. I absolutely adore this perfume. I cannot wait until Bath & Body Works releases this. Now, here's my thing. It said that this was supposed to release, I think the entire line was supposed to release on the 15th, which was a week ago. That didn't happen. But then they pushed the date back again and said they were supposed to release on the 8th. I don't know what's going on with Bath & Body Works and their release dates, or if somebody got something mixed up somewhere, but I'm ready for this Luminous. I am ready for it. So y'all, if you don't have Flower Bomb, or if you do have Flower Bomb, let me know down in the comments below what you think. And if you have La Vie Belle, or if you've smelled it and you think that it smelled like Luminous, let us know down below. Or if you have something else and you smell Luminous and you think it smells like that fragrance, let us know down in the comments below, because I surely want to know. I mean, I don't have an extensive perfume collection. I have a few, but I don't have nearly as much as some people do, or some reviewers do. But I do have more than the average. So if you don't have La Vie Belle, and if you don't have Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf, try the Luminous once it comes out, and it's going to be at a fraction of the price. Now, when I was in Sephora, Viktor and Rolf is expensive. I think upwards of almost like $200, $150 and up, right? Depending on what size you get. La Vie Belle, depending on what size you get, is expensive as well. But they're always having sales. So you can get La Vie Belle at a steal of a deal. Like I said, right now, the entire site is 25% off. However, if you are not ready to spend the money, when Luminous comes out, try it out and see how you like it. That way, it'll save you some money. It'll save you a lot of money versus going to buy Flower Bomb or La Vie Belle. So y'all, that's it for this review. I hope you all enjoyed it, but let us know down below if you smell Luminous, what you think of it, if you're gonna get it when it comes out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rachelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.